If this wallet isn't under your control yet, don't go anywhere because it soon will be. I'm going to break down how to execute the perfect rug and cash out big. Before I lay out the full playbook, you've got to know the right way to launch your meme coin. And trust me, if Pump.Fun is your plan, it's time to rethink that. Open Photon and apply the Pump.Fun DEX filter. What do you see? A never-ending wave of meme coins being created. For instance, Solana and Domino coins just dropped, but they're already doomed. Why? Pump.Fun is way too crowded, and since launching takes zero skill, anyone can do it. Radium is where things get real. If we apply the filters, we'll instantly see that the competition is much lower. Only 7 coins have launched in the last 5 minutes, which is nothing compared to other platforms. And the demand? Huge. Just look at the market cap and liquidity numbers. These numbers are next level. The reason people trust Radium coins is simple. You need coding skills to launch here, so every project has some credibility. That's why we're launching here. Let me guide you through it. So, I found this tool called Launch Tool, and it's honestly mind-blowing. It lets you launch a coin on Radium with basically no effort, no coding required, just a few clicks, and it's live. This method has been making me ridiculous money in the past month, and I'm going all in. So I found a clean logo on Google that's perfect for my coin. You know I always like my coins to be themed around latest memes. Now, just open Canva, set up a 128 by 128 pixel template, crop the image a little, and save it. That's all it takes. Let's kick things off by opening Launch Tool and inputting our project specs. I'm keeping it on brand with Spuniro as the name and Golubiro as the symbol. For that extra touch, I'm also adding the description, just a Golubiro spying on other meme coins. Yours should be just as catchy. After confirming your logo upload, click Next to move forward to the token economics configuration where we'll set up the financial parameters. The best part? We don't need to adjust anything here. That 1 billion token count is exactly what our strategy requires later on. Next screen. Okay, this creator section wants to charge us 0.1 SOL for basically nothing? I don't think so. Immediate skip. Social links? Never used them, never will. Another skip, and we're golden. Forward march. This is the moment where projects succeed or fail. The revoke freeze option prevents you from freezing transactions on a whim, and revoke update stops you from rewriting the token's rules later. Disable just one of these safeguards and savvy investors will smell trouble immediately. They've seen this story before, and they know how it ends. Keep everything enabled unless you enjoy watching zero buying activity. Keep all current settings and click Launch My Token. Your wallet will prompt you within seconds. Confirm the transaction like you've done before. That's the entire process. The token details are now public. Let me verify on SolScan. Excellent, it's confirmed. But we're not done yet. There's an important final procedure to complete before trading goes live. Next phase, go back to Launch Tool and click the Create Liquidity Pool option to be automatically transferred to Radium. First thing, double check your wallet connection is active. Now the vital part, establishing our meme coin as the base asset. Tap the token selection area, then hop over to Launch Tool to copy your token's precise address. Return to Radium and input that address in the search section located just below the token selection prompt. Let's complete our token setup. I'm going to put again Golubiro as the symbol and Spuniro as the full name. Click Add User Token to save, then reselect your token. We'll provide 900 million from our 1 billion supply, standard for successful meme coins. Choose SOL as your base pair. Here's why this rocks. As the original liquidity provider, you can safely contribute the maximum amount with complete protection. Pro tip, always subtract the 0.2 SOL fee up front, leaving me with 1.19 SOL to work with. Don't forget to pick the 2% fee tier option. When everything checks out, click Initialize Liquidity Pool and approve the transaction. Mission accomplished. Our pool is created and trading is live. We can confirm this by spotting our coin on Photon's listings. Now that we're set up, let's analyze our chart performance. Monitoring time, Open dexscreener.com and select any coin from the list. Next, go back to Launch Tool and copy your token's exact address. Back on DexScreener, swap out the current address for yours and initiate the search. Voila! Our official chart appears. Dismiss those tiny bot transactions below. We're interested in the order book, so let's give it a couple of minutes and wait for the order. And excellent. We've secured our first genuine buy order in mere minutes. Keeping eyes on this as the situation develops. Current metrics show that $622 is in liquidity, and the market cap is $591, both indicating clear upward potential. Fantastic. A new $66 purchase just processed about 15 seconds ago. Oh, I forgot to mention, that is equivalent to 0.45 Sol, which is adoring. Zero promotion required. This formula works on endless repeat. After a couple more minutes, third buy order secured. The velocity is shocking even to me. Absolutely mental. We're now looking at $32 in value, which breaks down to 0.2 Sol of pure earnings. The growth has been spectacular. The most shocking part? This trading pair has only been live for about 20 minutes. We've compressed what would normally take days into mere minutes. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm cashing out at these excellent levels. To do the same, simply access Radium, connect your wallet if necessary, and click the standard option located at the lower portion of the interface. Alright, here is the full exit play. Tap the minus option. Then you want to max out the slider to 100%, and you will see these big numbers that are surely confusing you. But let me tell you, don't bother to wonder what those numbers are, because the SOL amount is what you are actually getting transferred straight into your wallet. Click, remove liquidity, and verify. Mission complete. That notification means cash in pocket. The moment we work for. Phantom shows $398, and folks, that means business. I am literally doing this process over and over again. It's printing the money. Just crazy, I shall add. Turning $240 into almost $400 in less than half an hour, making 2 to 5x every time. This method is still making serious money, but nothing lasts forever. Take advantage before it's too late, guys.